Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect GA4 events to optimize meta ads targeting, full guide step-by-step clear. Begin by logging into your Google Analytics 4 property. Navigate to the events section on the left sidebar. Identify the events you want to use for your meta ads targeting. Highlight the events by clicking on them to open their details. Take note of the event names and parameters. Next, log into your Meta Ads Manager. Go to the Audiences section of the platform. Create a new custom audience. Select website traffic as your source. In the Criteria section, choose the specific events you noted from GA4. You can further refine your audience by applying additional filters. Save your custom audience and give it a descriptive name. Return to the main Ads Manager interface and begin creating a new ad campaign. Select your newly created custom audience when setting your targeting options. To ensure optimal performance, consider using a combination of targeting methods. You may want to use lookalike audiences based on your custom audience. Finalize your ad creative and message to align with the target audience. Monitor your campaign performance closely after launching. Adjust your targeting and creative based on the data you gather from the campaign. Continue to refine your GA4 events and meta ad strategy as you gain insights. This will enhance your ability to reach the right audience effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.